Okay, so this is the motorcycle stand I use on the back of my RV to tow my motorcycle. It has a tire chuck. It locks the tire in place, and it has straps on every side, all four sides, so you can tie down the motorcycle. It comes with this ramp. It's held in place by these wing nuts. So you would take these off. There's another one right here. Let's put these in. There's two notches on the back that hooks it right here. Alright, so I got the bike set up on the other side. I'm gonna start it, ride it up. I got the straps already situated. Okay guys, so once you got the bike strapped, I would put two more straps on the back side. You got this strap holding down the front. The tire's locked in place. And you have the other strap on the other side right here. See, there's two holes. And it has these pins on the bottom that go into these holes to hold it in place. I would just replace the stand over here, mount them back, put the wing nuts back in. Okay guys, so that's about it. I just showed you how I load my motorcycle on the back of the RV, and if this helped you out, if you've been thinking of where you can tow your motorcycle on the back of a truck, RV, this is an easy way to do it. So if this video helped you and you enjoyed it, go ahead and subscribe and give me a thumbs up. This has been a video from Gavin's Garage. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.